good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to use the free version of Spotify for the Apple Watch. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So, as you may know, the premium version of Spotify allows you to download and play music offline right on your Apple Watch without your phone. But that's not to say that the free version of Spotify also has some pretty decent features as well. As you can see here, we have the free version loaded up on this Apple Watch here. And this is the main screen where it actually shows you the current track that's being playing and allows you to have control over the track, where you have the play, next track, and previous track button as well. If you swipe left from the screen, you'll be able to access the songs in your library, and you'll also be able to see what's recently being played in your library. If you swipe right from the screen, you actually have a little readout of the current track and some information on the current track as well. So overall, for a free app, the free version of Spotify does add a little bit of a convenience to your music listening by allowing you to control the music right on your wrist. So there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to use the free version of Spotify for the Apple Watch. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.